is going to be a strip down and a modification on the Wolverine. A lot of people complaining that they're going out of focus, and this one has on me, and I've only done 4 reels. So we're going to strip all this out. I'll give you a quick guide. It's fairly basic inside, and we're going to modify this case so we can adjust the lens for focusing. So here we go. First off, we need to undo some screws. Obviously remove memory card, don't need that in. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the case. Right, so all the screws are out. Quick turn round. This front control panel here just clips off. So if you want to, sometimes you can get it with your fingernail. But, we'll just put a little blade in. Just be careful and give it a pop. Like so. And that comes straight off. Turn it back round. You should pull away. Like so, and there's the insides. A few more screws to go yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 altogether. We're going to pop the back on just to keep it steady. Put 1 screw back in. Just we don't want any dirt or anything getting in the insides. That'll do. Turn it round, and the silver front just pops off like so. In here we have a basic webcam with an adjustable lens. Now the original Wolverines normally have a grub screw to lock it in place, and I found that these ones don't. It's just a tight, very tight lens screw, and you can turn it from left to right to focus in and focus out. So the next step we're going to do, in case it happens again, once I've focused it all, in the meantime we're going to cut out a section of this plastic so I can gain access to the adjuster without having to strip it all down. So bear with me, we'll get back to it. Right, so I've decided where to cut. I'm going to take this little section out here, so at least you'll be able to get your thumb in and adjust it manually without stripping it all apart. So I'm going to go and cut this out, and we'll be back in a second. Right, so now I've cut a recess out, like so, and just test fit. Like so. And from there we can adjust the lens accordingly. Let's get it all back together, just basically everything you've done in reverse, and that's it, done. Now reassemble. and done. Back together. Now you have a manual focus adjust. One last touch. Connect everything back up in here. Snaps into place and done. Hopefully you'll get no more out of focus worries when you can manually adjust it yourself. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.